that deals in website development, uh, digital marketing, mobile app development, online payment integrations, and motion graphic designs. So as part of our social responsibility, we've launched Codehome to teach the youth software development, to teach the youth how to program and how to code. Okay, so we'll be coming live within every week, once a week or at least twice a week. Let's see, uh, here live on Paperless Studios. So Codehome is here to teach you steps to step programming, how to build a website, how to build a mobile application for the Android and iOS. So we want you to stay tuned and stay connected to Paperless Studios and the Codehome playlist so that you go through. So it's basically an online course, So we are going to walk you through the steps. We are going to code here with you. At the end of every video, we are going to give you an assignment whereby you will share a link with you for you to submit your assignment. You go through your codes and we mentor you through by correcting your codes, helping you debug your codes and correcting them and making your code very slick and very professional. So it's a full class, not just any online video tutorial. No, this is a full class. Okay, this is a full class. So this initiative is to teach programming online for free by we are probably sponsored by Paperless, a software development company in the country. So we will be coming here, at least we will try our best at least twice a week, meet at least twice a week, and have fun coding and building things with our hand. So we want to this is just an introductory video to introduce you to the course, or to the class. Let me say to the class. So we want you to subscribe, like the video, share the channel, share the video with your friends, share the video with your friends, and let them subscribe. Share the video with anybody you think that will need this class. Okay, whether the person is SHS dropout, DHS dropout in the university, anyone. So far as you can find his way around the computer, I think that you will do him good by sharing this video with him. At the end of this class, we expect all our viewers to be able to build something, build their own website from scratch, or develop a web application or a mobile app to help solve a real problem in this country. So these are some of the things that you can build at the end of the course. So this is Paperless website. This Paperless built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Purely HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So this is Paperless website. You can go to paperless.com and have a view of it for the mobile view and everything. So this is Paperless website, and one website that we also develop in Paperless is this website for our client, Perfume. So this also was built from scratch using HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the animations and all the things that you see, the nice things, the Giphy image, built from scratch. A very neat website. You can go to perfume.org and go and find out from it's for its mobile view and desktop view. So we encourage you to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, stay connected. Share the link to others to also subscribe. That there's going to be an online class for programming, software development for free. For free, you don't have to pay anything. We are giving back to the community. So subscribe, like the video, turn on your notifications, and let's have fun building. And I know that I will see you in every class. And I'll be seeing your assignment being submitted. Okay, so as part of it, we also create a Telegram page whereby we will correct some of these things, correct the assignment, and also help you correct your code to make your code more slick and professional. Okay, so you join the Telegram page, but the classes will be done here I'll be here to teach you. I'll be your tutor throughout to teach you on hands-on. It's purely practical, purely practical. We will explain the concept to you, but the main thing is that you are going to get your hands dirty with codes. You're going to code, okay, and you see yourself becoming the software developer you always wanted to be.